Hmm?
Have you started?
Yeah, I'm just setting up.
Have you started recording?
Hmm?
Have you started recording?
I don't know what's happening. The network seems to be poor. But I've started, yes. Yeah, Mrs. Trust, how are you? Let me just, that's what I want to do. I want to send you guys the link, and I post it to our various group. Welcome guys to today's Analysi. We'll be focusing on derived synthetic indices. So basically we'll be analyzing synthetic indices. So what you're gonna do, the more you participate, you comment on this live, there will be prizes that are going to be won. So make sure you participate, like and subscribe this video, share it with your friends. Let me just quickly get the link to this live, and I'll send it to you guys. Please make sure you subscribe, you like, you share this live. So there'll be prizes that are going to be won, and your friends, if time permits, we'll also look at the spark detector that we have, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how best to use it. Seems like my network is a little bit poor. Yeah. So let me quickly share these links in the groups. Okay, which one is the other one? Oh, I'm just gonna quickly share it in the groups. I hope you can hear me nicely. It's just that my voice is a little bit it's not that good today. Okay, what's up? Okay, okay. Okay, so let me need to do today. Which assets should we analyze? And good morning, sir. Can you please share your WhatsApp number or email address. I want to talk to you about the booming crash indicator. Okay, so my WhatsApp number. Okay, I recently changed my WhatsApp number, but it's fine. Use this one 0629316. So okay, I need to put the country code +27. So this one is my WhatsApp number. Yes, we can hear you nicely. Thank you, Trust Gumbo Kansan. Thank you, Cabo. How are you, Cabo? How are you, Trust? How are you guys? So which asset should we analyze today? Which asset are we going to be analyzing today? Which asset should we analyze?
2, 6, 7, 8, 4.
Okay, Mr. Trust is not in any of these groups. Okay, we have a WhatsApp group, we have a Telegram group. I thought these groups were... Okay, let me just see.
Maybe small.
Is 6. Mama, 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 Papa, mama.
Okay, let me see how I can add.
Auntie. You can bring me.
Group link. Okay, let me share with you the group link. So we have two Telegram groups. One is closed. You can't chat, you can't interact. But we recently opened a new Telegram group where you can interact with other people and what you think about anything related to derivatives, synthetic indices, or anything that is related to trading, be it trading of gold. I know a lot of you guys, you trade forex, you also trade Nasdaq, you also trade gold. So anything that is to do with gold, you're free. Let me quickly share these links. Oh, come on. I didn't copy it. Copy. Okay, so this is the link to our WhatsApp group. Then I'm gonna share the link to our Telegram group. We have two. This one, DC synthetic indices. We formed it yesterday. We recently created this group yesterday so that people can interact and help each other. So I'm gonna send you the group link. Group link, add members, invite link, copy link. Okay, so this is our Telegram group, which you can interact with different people. Then we also have another one which is closed. That one you can't. I share signals, I share robots, I share indicators. So let me just quickly share with you that one. So this one is free booming crash EA and trading strategy and signals. So this one, this is the link, invite link. Let me share with you guys these things. Okay. He's saying good morning, Disay and the team. Good morning, Paul. How are you? Okay, so Trust is asking us to analyze VIX 75. Okay, VIX 75 it is. Okay, so I gave a signal. I think this is a signal that I gave in our group, and I was using 4 hour time frame. So I'm gonna share with you what I'm thinking and what is likely going to happen. Okay, we are currently having a reaction. So this is a signal that I sent in the I think today around early morning. I think I sent this signal and we're in profit. Then reversed. Okay, where is this signal? Yesterday we were able to make a lot of money trading boom. I sent a signal in this free group. It was nice. we're able to make a lot of money from that. So we also have our spike detector. I'm gonna talk much about this spike detector, guys. So when it comes to catching spike, is the one that I use. This is the spike detector. I'm always sending okay, so I send a signal on VIX today. Where is it?
Daddy, you're playing my house like that. See?
Okay, so this is the signal, and I'm gonna share with you guys what I think about this signal. So currently this is what is taking place. It's good that let me see, I think I took that signal, I went to bed, but there was a small retracement. 75, there was a small retracement. Let's see what price is doing currently.
Mama, I can't see both.
So I'm currently in this trade and it's moving well. Okay, so this is the signal that I was able to send, and I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm thinking about this VIX 75. So I'm currently in a, you can see it's a real account, and I took this trade. Okay, so 75. Okay, we initially anticipated that the market was supposed to come, let me remove this, was supposed to come and react with this 4 minute mitigation block here, but unfortunately that didn't take place here. The market just passed this mitigation block here and we took some trade. I remember I said it in the free group, and we took some trade here and we're in a loss because the market didn't reverse here. But what I'm now seeing is this. Okay, let's do it together. Here the market was able to, there was a change of character here, we have a change of character, and the market moved to here. But when the market got to this here, we had also another rejection block here. I think I did a video on, a short video, which I was explaining that the market was likely going to reverse on these two rejection blocks. Okay, let me go to the let me go to the daily. The network is a little bit slow. Ata Sibile, good to be here. I think we should first analyze VIX 100. VIX 100 is giving me stress. I don't know what's happening with VIX 100. Yes, this is okay. He wants to know why this trade failed. Okay, I'm gonna explain that. Yeah. Also me. Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna analyze that. So let's first of all focus on. Yes, we took a trade in VIX 100, and it didn't play out well. Okay, let's look at VIX face. VIX 75. Okay, trust. Let me just finish this live. I will ask him to join. Okay, on the daily, I think that's where it was very clear that we had two rejection blocks, and on that video I was talking about the fact that price can this upper rejection block, but that didn't take place here. So we had two rejection blocks, but price was able to reject it, was able to reverse at this one. Okay, so price reversed on this one, and what I'm seeing now is this. If you look on the daily chart, we had this liquidity void as the price was moving up, which has been filled up, and I'm anticipating that price should now move up. I'm anticipating that prices should move up here and come to this order block. Probably it will not come only, but probably to break this order block and go to the next one. That's what I'm anticipating currently. So currently VIX, okay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, we also saw that there was a rejection block this week of this bearish candle. It is our rejection block. This is the week, so price is likely going to reverse but we also have another one here, but this one has already been mitigated. Price came to this level because this liquidity void was already filled when the price came down here, so everything is fine. But where the problem is now is all these red candles that we now have. So price is supposed to move up and cover all this gap. We call it liquidity void. So price is supposed to cover this red candles as it will be moving up. And here we had a change of character. So price came to this lower order block to collect liquidity. When price moved above here, what we can see is that price was able to grab external range liquidity, and then when it came back to this order block here, it was able to fill up the fair value gaps and also rejection blocks. So price currently is been able to grab internal range liquidity and is likely up. So if you want to know how I trade and how I analyze these markets, you can join our mentorship groups. You can also join our VIP groups where I'll constantly be sharing signals in those VIP groups. So my VIP services, we've recently scratched out the weekly subscription. We now only have 2 weeks. So for 2 weeks signals, it will be $30. It's 30. Then for 1 month, our VIP services is 1,000. Our VIP servicing is $50. So those are the current VIP services that we have. So these are the services that we have. A VIP 2 weeks is $30, and for those 2 weeks, on a daily basis, we normally send 10 or more signals. 10 or more signals. We'll be focusing on VIX. We'll be focusing on derived synthetic indices, so we can give signals on boom and crash, volatility, and also jump. And we also give signals on what? On step indices. So those are the assets that we'll be focusing on. Derived synthetic indices. We focus on VIX, all the volatility indices, boom and crash, all the boom 1,500 and 300, crash 1,500 and 300. And we also give signals on jump. We also give signals on step index. So if you're interested, you can join our mentorship, our VIP services. Then we also have a what? We also have a mentorship classes where I'll be teaching you how to trade. So in our mentorship classes, we have one price action where we'll be talking about support and resistance. If you want to learn about support and resistance, how to draw support and resistance, what are the strategies that we use when we're using support and resistance. Then we also have trend line trading. How do we use trend line trading, breakout strategies. Then we also have candlestick patterns, market structures. We'll be having lessons on that. Then we also have chart patterns. We also have a lesson on chart patterns. Then we also have, because it works especially when it comes to price action and ICT. So what I've noticed is this with boom and crash. Yes, what really works more, what is more efficient in these markets is, to me, what I've noticed when we look at derived synthetic indices. Although in VIX, ICT is more powerful, smart money concept is more powerful in those markets. They respect these order blocks, all that is involved in ICT is there when you're looking at volatility indices. But with the other one, step index, yes, it works. But in boom and crash, what I've noticed is basic price action, trend line trading. Okay, Mama will open for you.
Mama can open.
Mama said, come here, I'll open for you.
Mama, open for me.
Okay. That's it. So I think I've explained what is going to take place in VIX. So this is what I'm thinking take place. Prices to fill up all this imbalance. So we have a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So So we have a seed. So I don't think price will come to this order block. And here, everything here, even the fair value gap has already been covered. And if you look at here, although here price is moving up like that, but I think this is the order block that we should be likely going to reverse and move up to probably come to this level, or it can even move further up. What I'm thinking is this: price will try to create a new high by coming to this level, and probably here. That's what I'm thinking at this level. Amy Kinsley, how are you? I'm fine. So yeah, the network is poor. Man, okay, so I think we are not selling VIX, we are buying VIX, guys. We are buying VIX. Don't sell VIX, you lose money, guys. Many Turan. So we are not selling VIX, guys, we are buying. I think this arrow indicates that we are moving up. Don't, because price has been selling for a very long time, and now it's time to buy VIX for some days. I think it can reach here, but to be safe, when price reaches this order block, there's an order block here, but I'm gonna hold up to this level. Price is likely going to here the second order block, because this one has already been used. This one has already been used. So price is likely going to reverse on the next one. That's what I'm thinking. But for now, the best course of action is to buy VIX. Okay, someone requested that I should analyze 100, VIX 100. Yo, VIX 100, yo, it's giving me nightmares. And today it didn't behave in the way that we are anticipating. Let's look. No, didn't work. Okay, I think for now, let me go to the VIX 100. We're anticipating a reversal which didn't take place. When I analyzed it on higher time frames, okay, what is taking place here, we can see that price has been coming down. So price is likely going to create a new, okay, for some time, this is what I'm thinking, VIX for some time create a new low. When that new low has been created, there will be no reference here, as you can see, and then price will start moving up. So for now, if even the monthly candle is telling us that we should sell, selling will be the best option in this market. But for now, let's allow price to come down, probably create a new low. Then when price comes to this level, then it will start moving up. But let me see on the daily. Okay, we thought that price was going to react with this order block, but okay, this one hasn't been closed. But whenever you see price, okay, this one is not working, price will continue selling, because here we can see that we have a break of structure here. Manage matanga food. Go and rest. Please. Okay, so what we can see, price has been breaking structure here. There's now a break of structure here, and what I'm anticipating is that price might continue going down. It's a little bit tricky, or price will move back to this order block. This one, because if you look at these candles, the past 2 days, this one and this one, see is that there is continuation of the downtrend. So currently we are in a downtrend. We should be looking for selling opportunities, but we don't know. Maybe price. What I would want to see is this candle, today's candle. If it closes above the open of yesterday's candle, here above here, it closes above this level, I will know that the price is going to what? There's now a possibility that the price is going to be bullish for some time. So that's one thing that I want to see. If price can close above the open of yesterday's candle, we know that there's now, because as it stands, price is still moving down. So price immediately reversed. But the best course of action here we're supposed to wait for this trend line to be broken. Here, this one, we're supposed to wait for that trend line to be broken here, this one, and then when it closes above this one, we're supposed to take our buy. So that's the same thing. We want price to close above this level, this one here. For today, I think we can see Trust was participating. Trust has been active, so I'm gonna give Trust. This is my number, +26 +2762931610. Get in touch. It's the Volatility Dynasty. So let me just show you guys how this indicator works. Although I'm gonna do a separate video where I'll be showing you guys how it works. So I created this strategy, which I haven't shared on YouTube. So this is the strategy. So with me, I start with strategies, then I will go to, so you can see, so if you go to the 1 hour, that's the first thing that you do. You can use this strategy on 1 minute for scalping, 1 minute, 5 minutes, even 15 minutes, you can use it. So the first thing that you have to do is that currently price is below these lines. So whenever price is below these two lines, what do we do? So that's why I was saying VIX 100, we have to look for selling opportunities. So this is the strategy that I'm sharing with you. So, but I'm not going to share with you the settings. So if you have that scenario on the 1 hour, you can then have to move back to 5 minutes and you look for selling opportunity. So when you're selling, you wait for the crossing of the red. The red is the fast moving average and the blue is the slow moving average. So we have the crossing and we also have the RSI to give us a confirmation. So what we want, the RSI is to be below 50 to sell from this position to this position. So you can quickly exit when price now crosses here. We're going to get an early exit. So the RSI is also being used for what? Because the RSI, as you know, is an oscillator, it's a leading indicator. Before price starts to move in a certain direction, the RSI would have moved. So you can use your RSI for exit. For example, when the RSI closed level 50, we're going to exit. This is the point. So look, from here, from this point, we're going to be selling up to this point. And it's scalping. That's the good part. That's where you profits, trailing stop, as a trailing stop. As long as the price, so you get your entry, here, and at this particular position, you have to check, assuming that the price on the 1 hour is above the candles are above these lines, then here would be an ideal buying scenario. So here you're going to buy. Then as long as the price is below this blue line, you hold your trade, because you'll be moving your stops and you hold your trade, and you can exit here when the price is now crossing this red blue line, or you can close when price now crosses, like here, this particular position, we have the price buy. Yeah, in that trade, as long as the price doesn't cross below this one, you exit here. You have an early exit, and then here we have another crossing again. On this particular position, we have a crossing, and then you take your trade, you hold it, you exit at this particular position here. So you're going to get an early exit. So when price now moves below, I want to look for a period where we can scalp. Boom has been very bullish for some time. Okay, this is the period. Okay, let's just mark this period and see what will be taking place. Okay, so this is the period. Let me use let me do this. So you can use it for scalping again, but on the 5 minutes time frame. So this one will be my voice is a little bit okay. I just want to share with you guys the strategy that I'm gonna present if I get the time. I want to get to that place where we have those markings. Let me do that. Oh, come on.
Can I see that?
Go and wait.
Oh, my clothes.
Go. Okay, I'm trying to get to that position.
You?
Okay. Seems like it's taking forever. Okay, for scalping now, it's very, very powerful. As long as you can see here where the crossing, I'm just gonna give this as an example. Assuming that you've checked your 1 hour, here where the what? A crossing here, and then you're going to exit here. So that's how powerful. So I mean that will be trading like that. It can buy and sell, and we'll use it on 5 minutes time frame. Sorry. You can see you can get an entry here, then hold the trade up to here. So it's very powerful. I'm gonna present it very soon, but I think I should separate. I don't want to make the video very long, maybe 5 minutes. So I will focus one on synthetics, and I'll focus on step. I'll focus on booming crash, but using the same strategy, and how best we can use it on those different indices. Okay, so I asked Trust to get in touch. I want to give him the Volatility Dynasty. Okay, C300. Last time I only saw when I was now watching the video that someone asked for us to analyze Crash 300. Then I started analyzing Crash 500, but it was good because it played out as I highlighted in this on the previous live how Crash 500 was going to move. So I'm gonna analyze Crash 300. Can I know something? Okay. Say please analyze Crash 300. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, this live is going to be automatically uploaded. Network is seriously bad. My apology for the network, but please tell me. So someone asked for volatility volatility 300. So I normally want to go on the daily so that I get a good picture. My network is poor. People are complaining. The network is poor. I forgot to do this. Okay. Okay, let's analyze what is taking place in Crash and where Crash is heading. What is taking place? Okay, but I can see price is just consolidating, but with direction. The break of structure. Let's analyze break of structure. As the price was moving down,
Let's look it. I'll tell you take that.
and then from there,
Let's look.
price came down, was able to break the structure, then went up, and then go to this level. So here, as long as price was below this level, this particular level, as long as price was below this, we're still in a downtrend, because here with the break of structure, price was moving down, and then price here came down, failed to create a what, a new low here with the low, low, price went up to create a new low high, so then price was supposed to break, it was supposed to come down here at this particular level and create a new low, but that didn't take place. So that was the first sign that gives us a hint that price is likely going to reverse, and from there price created a high low. So this was now a high low, now we have a high. So here we have a high. So that means we're in a what? We're in an uptrend. So as long as price is trading within these regions, so this is the current structure that we have, price is within this level, and you can see this uptrend has not been violated. Why? Because price didn't close below this level. So when we have a high low and a high, it means that we're in an uptrend. So that means we should be looking for buying opportunities. Yes, the price can sell for some time, but crash 300, is in an uptrend, because we have a higher, these levels have not been violated. So if this downtrend, we have already moved from a downtrend. So what we are supposed to be looking for is that price should break and create a new high for the continuation of this trend. So I'm anticipating that price should continue moving up. Price should continue moving up and create a new high. So that's one thing that I want to see, because price is in a, so price should move up and create a new high. But let's see from here what happened. Price was able to move up and then came down. Then it came to this level and then went up and then came down. So as price is moving up and down, I don't know why is it price is failing to break this level. It seems like there's a level that price has been failing. Price is failing to break this level. So price is 2 points. Okay, this is what I can see also. We have price bouncing between these levels. Price comes to this level and it goes here. So what I would want to see is that price would break this level and move to this level, but we are not sure of that. Price can come to this level and then come back to this support, but I don't think it will come to the support. Maybe it will come to this trend line and then continue bouncing up like this, and it will be like a triangle until eventually it will be like a triangle until eventually price. So there are two scenarios. Price can move up and break and just continue to go up, or price can reach this level and it will come back, follow this trend line, because we can see the reason why this trend line is valid. It has been respected 1, 2, 3, three touches. There are three touches that are there, and there's a likelihood that price is likely going to be respected when it comes back here, and then it will be moving like this. So it will be like an ascending triangle, and then probably price will then break and move, shoot and reach this level. There's that possibility, but we can see the price is respecting this trend line, and there's a likelihood that it will continue moving like that. So that's what I'm thinking here, guys. But we should be looking for opportunities to buy crash 300. So that's what I'm seeing in crash 300. Okay, is there any question again? I'm sorry for the network. The network. Yo. Okay, I'm thinking of restarting this live, but I have something that I want to share with you guys. Our spike detector, I think, let me just share with you, and also our website. We have a website that we have recently created. In boom, it has to be above. Then you also have to check with your trend filter, which is our KTQQE. If it's telling you that on lower time frame is bearish, and on high time frame we also have a bearish, or even a sideways, it's fine. But if you see a lot of bearish even on the lower time frame, and also a confirmation on the high time frame that moving down bearish, then you know that you can take a sell with confidence. Then for you to if you take